Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into setting up and efficiently using time tracking widgets in Zoho Project. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is log into our Zoho Project account. Now that we've done that, we need to navigate to the project where we want to set up the time tracking widget. Why is this important? Well, time tracking widgets are project specific. They allow you to measure how much time is spent on each project, and that helps to improve productivity and manage resources better. Next up, we're going to click on the Add Widget button. This is generally located at the top right corner of your dashboard. This helps us because it's the gateway to add any widget, including the time tracking one, to our project dashboard. Now it's time to select the time tracking widget from the list of widgets. Why do we do this? This specific widget is designed to track the time spent on tasks within your project. It's a crucial tool for managing project timelines and ensuring everything is on track. After we've added the time tracking widget, we're going to customize it. This involves setting the time range we want to track and specifying the tasks or team members to include. This step is vital because it enables us to tailor the widget to our project's unique needs. For instance, if we're only interested in tracking time spent on tasks by a specific team member, we can set that up here. With our widget customized, we can now start tracking time. To do this, simply click on the Start Timer button on the task we're working on. This starts the clock and begins tracking the time spent on that task. Remember, you can pause or stop the timer at any point. And just like that, you've set up and started using the time tracking widget in Zoho Project. The reason we focused on this today is that effective time management is a critical aspect of project management. And with these widgets, Zoho Project helps us do just that. To wrap up, remember that time tracking widgets are your allies in achieving project efficiency. So don't hesitate to use them to their full advantage. Until next time, keep track of your time and keep your projects moving forward.